Euclid's Book 1, proposition number 29, is incredibly complicated. I'm going to take this very, very slowly. Euclid starts out by saying that lines A, B, and C, D are parallel, and they are cut by line E, G, H, F. Okay? And Euclid's going to prove three things. The first thing he's going to prove is that angle AGH is equal in size to GHD. AGH, GHD. Then he's going to prove that EGB is equal in size to GHD. Once he's done that, he's going to then prove that the sum of BGH and GHD is 180 degrees. So BGH plus GHD equals 180 degrees, or two right angles. Alright. Here's how he begins the proof. He says, let's assume that AGH, the size of AGH, this angle right here, AGH, is bigger than GHD. GHD. Okay. He says, now if that's true, then the size, when you add up AGH plus BGH, you're going to get a total that's larger than GHD plus BGH. Alright? And if you say that, we have to also consider the fact that AGH plus BGH is 180 degrees. Now, if that's true, then BGH plus GHD is going to be less than 180 degrees. And by postulate number 5, we say that AB and CD at some point will meet. Therefore, they're not going to be parallel. And, of course, in this case, we know they're parallel, so that's not true. Therefore, AGH and GHD are equal in size. Now, we can then say that angle AGH and angle EGB are equal in size because alternate angles like this are equal, and we said that in proposition number 115. Okay? And we've already established that AGH and GHD are exactly the same size, so now we can say that EGB and GHD are the same size because of the transitive property. If A equals B and B equals C, then A will also equal C. So now we have proven two things. First of all, we proved that AGH and GHD are the same size. We have also now proven that EGB and GHD are the same size because this angle here is equal to this angle here, this angle here is equal to this angle here, so therefore this angle here is equal to that angle there. Whew, that's a lot so far. But we're still not done. Alright. Now, EGB plus BGH is 180 degrees. Okay, this angle here plus this angle here, the sizes of these two angles, is 180 degrees. Now, BGH and GHD are also 180 degrees because this angle here is the same size as this angle here, and we already said that this plus this is 180 degrees, so now we can say that this plus this is 180 degrees. Alright. And we can also say this because of proposition 113. Alright. Anyway, now we have proven everything. Alright. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.